Hey guys, Get Level here, and you're watching an unboxing, testing, and review of the Govee Glide wall light. Thanks to the generous folks at Govee for sending me this light so I can test it and give you guys my honest opinion about it. So this is an RGB IC type of light, meaning that it has addressable LEDs. When you open the box, you'll see all the little paper stuff. Of course, you have a user manual, and then you have a quick start guide and also warranty, I believe that small thing was, and then you will find 6 little light bars plus a shoulder, as I like to call it, or a corner piece. You will find an AC adapter, and then in that last box you will find what I call I don't call it the controller. It is the controller, but it also has a mic. This is the connector that will allow you to connect the controller into the first piece, or the last piece actually, of your light, and then normal connector for the rest, so that you can plug it to the adapter. Alright, so this is everything that is included in the pack, and this is what the light bars look like. At the back of them, you will see some sort of adhesive. We will later on realize that it is some sort of Velcro, but like safer than Velcro, seems more sturdier than Velcro, and those are the connectors. So one side will have some type of male-female configuration in order to add more and more. So if you buy 2 packs of those, you can just continue adding to your design in order to create a pattern that you enjoy. Alright, so the user manual explains to us that we need a flat surface in order to connect them together. There is a little bit of strength needed in order to connect them. When you're pushing down on them, they have to do that little snap sound, and then it'll also tell us to test the spot where we want to place them before actually placing them. They're all very, very light, so I strongly believe that only one single one of those Velcro straps can be glued directly to your wall, and then the rest will probably hold by itself. But if not, you know, they all have the 3M adhesive. You usually want to separate that Velcro strap and then press the actual light bar into it. So you can see me plugging in the controller to the light bar right there after plugging the adapter to it, and then I'm going to download the app. At the back of the quick start guide, you will find the QR code. Just take a picture, or you can just go on your app store and type Govee home. It was very, very easy to find. Here I'm using a very old phone, so you will see it's less reactive than the newer phones. This has nothing to do with the Govee app. It has everything to do with my very, very old phone that I'm using here. Alright, so when you install the app, you will see, you know, little ideas on how people use them, and then user agreement policy, blah blah blah. Click OK. Now it's time for you to connect your light and then let the app find it. So I will connect the light, and it does that little animation basically to let you immediately know if they're all working. This is a cool way of testing it before you even connect it to your phone via the app. After that, we're going to press on the plus in order for it to start scanning, or actually we will find the exact type of light that we have, and you can see they have a bunch of like LED strips and stuff like that, but we were in the wrong category. So here I'm going to pick indoor lighting until I find the Govee Glide wall light at the bottom right side right there. Okay, so I'm going to click on it, and this is the part where it'll ask me to create an account on the Govee website. So create an account, confirm your password, and then give it whatever access it wants. Well, if you want to, if you're okay with it. And then it will immediately find it via Bluetooth. You can tap on it, give it a name, especially if you're going to connect it with your home automation system like Google or Amazon Echo, so you can know what to call it. And then you're done pretty much. So we have those main screens here. Here you can see me turning it off and on just to make sure that it's actually working. So the main screen gives you so many options, but the 4 main options are music, there's scene, there's color, and there's also DIY, meaning if you want to create your own little animation or your own setup, you can actually not only just pick one color as you would do with other LED strips, for example. You can pick segments to have specific colors, so your color combination can be set in the app, which really sets it apart. The fact that every LED is addressable, and it also allows you to have so much cool animations. When it comes to the scene, there's natural, life, emotion, festival, funny. Those are categories of animations that you can have, each of them having like at least 6 or up to 10, 12 animations. So there's a lot of them. So you can definitely play around and set the mood the way you want. Some of them are really animated and they, well, you know, there's the category called funny. And then some of them are softer if you want like a night light, if you want some light if you're watching a movie or something like that. They also have those soft ones. I really love the options. They really take into account the fact that every LED is addressable and really play around with that. There's like snake and bouncing balls and stuff like that. It's really impressive. It's really cool, especially if you have that in a gaming room or as a backdrop for YouTube videos, or just like a fun living room if you have you know, a man cave or a woman cave. Really cool stuff. Like here for the police lights, it told me that it was very, like, it was flashing lights, so epilepsy warning. Very cool stuff. So there are some preset color combinations. I didn't even get to test everything yet. I'll probably let you test it out if you end up buying it. If you would like to see a video where I'm testing everything, I guess you can follow my tech channel. That would probably be there. Yes, I do have a separate tech channel where I only review tech, and it's called Gel's Tech Review. Check it out. So this is the part where you choosing segments to have specific pieces of color, I gotta say, and this is like the color palette that you can choose from. There's so many options. It's beautiful. So here I have it in music mode, and first I thought that it would use the microphone from my phone, but it doesn't. It actually uses the microphone that is integrated in the controller, which is great. As you can see, it's pretty bright. I have all the lights off and my shutters closed here, and it's pretty much illuminating the room. So here I wanted to give you a good look at the straps in the back. So it's 3M tape. Well, yes, it is 3M tape that you need to basically place the first strap on the wall, hold it down for about 30 seconds, and then you can basically place or remove your light bars as you wish. They don't need to be permanently stuck to the wall, basically. And I like that it's a weird texture. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It doesn't feel like Velcro. It's not as sharp as Velcro. It's the first time that I've seen this specific texture. So this is where I ended up putting it in my room. I did not attach it to the wall right there. It's basically just leaning against the wall. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna keep it that way or if I'm gonna get some more in order to create a design. I really like the elbow, but one single elbow with 6 light bars is just not enough for me. So either I get more elbows to get like a design, or I will just keep it straight like that. But yeah, it pretty much illuminates the whole room. Since I have it behind my bed, and I really can't wait to like watch movies and basically set the mood and stuff like that. So here I'm basically showing off and testing some of the animations. This is fireworks, and those are cool to test, but they're really a lot to take in, especially when every other light is off. This is like the Halloween themed one, so you get some oranges, some reds, but overall it's a very light product. It's mainly plastic. What I really love is that you cannot see the LED, the individual light source. It's very well diffused. The shape is just perfect to diffuse the light, so it looks amazing in real life. And that the colors are pretty accurate, they're vibrant, they're very beautiful. You can definitely use this directly so you see where the light source is, but if you have that like behind a wall or behind your bed, for example, it will probably look amazing. So yeah, I can't wait to have it connected to my Amazon Echo and basically control it. I don't know exactly how much control I will get, but I'm still excited. If you guys want to know where to get it, you will find a link in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you, Govee, for sending this to me. And if you guys want to see more tech reviews, definitely subscribe to my tech review channel. And I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud, get level, out.